Next, weeks of disruption are expected on a busy Cardiff road as work begins to replace an ageing culvert. From this week, lane closures are in place on St Fagans Road between Cartwright Lane and Fairwater Road. Cardiff Council says the 70-year-old waterway needs replacing to reduce the risk of flooding. Full road closures will follow later this summer between Friday the 25th of July and Tuesday the 2nd of September. Residents near the Fairwater Hotel have already received letters outlining the plans. The council says the work has been scheduled for the school holidays to minimise disruption. However, some residents have raised concerns after repeated delays to drainage improvements in the area. Live music is set to return to Butte Park this summer, with Cardiff Council defending a series of large concerts as essential for protecting local services. The Black Weir live events are expected to bring in significant income as global artists like Stevie Wonder and Alanis Morissette perform across 6 licensed dates. The council says funds raised will help avoid tough budget cuts while also supporting grassroots venues and maintenance across the park's network. But some residents and local teams have voiced concern, saying the events make public green spaces harder to access. A new licence now allows events for up to 35,000 people, with 46 conditions to protect the area. In Newport, senior councillors are calling for long-term funding certainty after the city received more than £32 million through the UK Shared Prosperity Fund. Projects supported include canal restoration, splash pads, warm hubs and homelessness services. The scheme replaced former EU structural funds after Brexit and is due to end in March. A new report shows widespread local support from councillors and community groups, who say that the programme has made a positive difference. Health services across Cardiff and the Vale are under pressure, with University Hospital of Wales urging people to only use A&E in genuine emergencies. Cardiff and Vale University Health Board says high demand and slow discharge rates are contributing to long waits. People are being encouraged to use NHS 111, Barry Minor Injuries Unit or local GPs where appropriate. Officials say safe care remains their top priority.